Databases provide excellent opportunities to locate information on any topic, and there are many available. As an example, when seeking information about the Vietnam War, a database featuring general history may provide relevant results. You can either select the H, or you can type in the word history to find a database about history. Select History, General, Databases. The Look Here First selection displays the most likely databases to reflect your search choices. We will select Academic Search Complete for our example. The keyword search is a vital step towards locating information. If the word or words are too broad, there will likely be far too much information to sift through. If the keyword search is too narrow, the information may be limited. For instance, typing in the words Vietnam War produces over 10,000 results. Therefore, it is important to determine exactly what information you wish to obtain about the Vietnam War. For instance, if you would like to know more about the adverse effects of Agent Orange that was used during the Vietnam War, that term can be added to the second field to help narrow the results. Additional limiters can be used, such as full text, references available, scholarly, peer-reviewed journals. The date of the publication can also limit results, allowing for more current journals and articles. Drop-down boxes allow limitations for source types, thesaurus terms, subject, publication, publisher, company, language, geography, and the North American Industry Classification System, NAICS. Adjusting the keywords can help retrieve the desired results, and these can obviously be easily limited. These opportunities for locating information make it easy and exciting to use databases.